Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making creamy spinach corn. For this we need spinach, sweet corn, black pepper, clove, cinnamon, cardamom, garlic, ginger, onion, turmeric, salt, red chili powder, garam masala and milk. Firstly we have to blanch the spinach. For this add 1 pinch of salt in boiling water. Add spinach. Leave it for 30 seconds. Remove and put it into cold water. Similarly, we will blanch rest of the spinach. Now we will make a puree of spinach. Simply grind them. Now in a pan add 1.5 teaspoon of refined oil. Add 1 clove, 1 cardamom, half an inch of cinnamon, 3 to 4 black pepper, all the whole spices. Cook them for a couple of seconds. Now add 1 small sliced onion. Cook till onion is transparent. Now add half a teaspoon of freshly grated garlic, half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Mix it, cook it for a couple of seconds. Now add 50 grams of sweet corn. Mix it, cook it for 1 minute. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of red chili powder or red chili flake, half a teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it well. Now add spinach puree we have made. Mix it well. Add salt to taste. Cover it and leave it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, uncover it. Mix it. Cook it till extra moisture of spinach evaporate. Now add 100 ml milk and stir continuously. And cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see the creaminess in spinach. And after 2 to 3 minutes, your creamy spinach corn is ready. Thank you.